In this video, we'll show you how to block all the unwanted pop-ups and alerts on your Windows 11 PC. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now here go to the system tab on the left. Now in here click on notifications. Now in this menu you will need to go to this notifications from apps and other senders section. Now here you should see a list of apps as well as system programs that are allowed to send pop-ups, including the ones from Microsoft. So for instance, if you see this suggested option, it means it is Microsoft suggesting various tips and pop-ups, so make sure to disable it. You can go through this entire list to disable all the unnecessary toggles and alerts. Once you have done that, simply scroll all the way down and click on this additional settings option. Here you should see 3 checkboxes that basically mean suggestions or tips from Microsoft. Simply uncheck all these 3 checkboxes. Once you have done this, go to this privacy and security tab on the left. Now here you will need to click on general. Now in here you should see these 5 toggles. Make sure to disable all of them as they are not necessary for any functions. They are basically for Microsoft tracking you and showing you unwanted pop-ups. So make sure to turn all of these off. Once you have done this, you should no longer see unwanted pop-ups and alerts on your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.